My name is Tushar Nayar. I am a hospitalist, and I chose hospitalist because it's the field that let me really interact with the most breadth of patients. I get to see everything, every little thing, every big thing, sick, not sick, old, young, everybody. And so it just kind of allowed me the opportunity to really get to know every part of medicine that there is. I think back to my first day of residency when one of my attendings told me the most important thing you can do is be friends with your nurses. And I kind of took that one step further to really be friends with everybody that's involved with patient care, nurses, case managers, social workers, all the way down to the guy who takes you down for an x-ray. Really, I think for me, patient care is not just me. I'm only a small part of it. It's everybody that's involved. And so the best thing I can do for the patient is to make sure that everybody on that team that takes care of that patient is up to speed on that patient, knows exactly what's going on, so that we can do the best job we can to get the patients better and get them healthy and get them on their way to continue their life. Because we're probably the worst part of a patient's life, and we want to do everything we can to make that better for them, so that when they do leave the hospital or leave our care, they're healthy and back on the road to continuing what they do. I was born and raised in Toronto, Canada. I'm a proud Canadian. I'm a Toronto Maple Leafs fan first and foremost, so go Leafs. But we moved to Louisville, my wife and I, a few years ago actually. We lived here for a couple of years. We moved out of town, actually out of state to Texas, and then we moved back here recently, and I think we're settling down here in Louisville permanently. We love the city. My wife actually jokingly calls me the world's biggest Louisville Cardinals fan, which I proudly accept. I think it's a beautiful city. There's a lot to do here. We're foodies. We love to eat here. I actually went to medical school in the Caribbean, and so I kind of got that experience, the international experience. I got to meet a lot of people in the Caribbean, a lot of different patient population, but the people in general, it's a very laid-back atmosphere, and that's kind of what I see in Louisville too. Is the people are very nice, down-to-earth, laid-back, and I like that a lot. Well, I like to play all sports actually. Soccer is my favorite sport, but I do play a little hockey, a little basketball too. I got a couple of dogs, 2 boxers that I understand Louisville is a boxer cult city, from what I can tell, and so I like to play with them a lot. My wife and I have an infant daughter, so really just kind of spending as much time with her as possible is what I do in my downtime.